So yesterday, while we were at home during that hailstorm, we missed seeing these amazing water spouts in the sea. Morning, today we're going to go up to Nocelle and have a hike because the skies are crystal clear and there's going to be amazing views from up there today. That's an old olive press there. I used to roll that around, squashing all the olives. This, as you might remember, is my neighbour's bar just before the Pathway of the Gods. And today she is preparing bruschetta. So from here we get a really good view of Capri, right down the end there, with the Fariglione in front of it. Okay, this is real mountain territory. It's actually quite scary standing here, but the views are amazing. Elizabeth, this one's for you! We're way above the village of Nocelle now, and there's no tourists up here because they're all on the Pathway of the Gods, and we're not. A bit stupid today, we didn't bring anything to eat or drink, so we've come up to the top of the mountain, we've had a little walk around the woods, and now we're going to make our way back down again and get some lunch. Hi Lee!
Where's the place? Where's the rock?
Just down here. So we've stopped off for lunch at Santa Croce restaurant. We're going to get something to eat. So I was so hungry I didn't even think to show you what I was having for lunch. Now we are slowly making our way back home and we're going to go for a swim. So we've cleaned ourselves up after our morning hike, and we're not dressed the same. We are dressed differently, but we're going to go moon hunting because it's a full moon tonight and there's no clouds. So I'm going to go and try and take photos of the moon. So we're going to start at the pier and work our way up and around town. Nice and peaceful, nice and sunsetty, and now we wait for the moonrise. Drinks time with the boys. So if Peppa gets out the way, this is what we've been waiting for, the moonrise. Yes. Look at all these tourists taking photos. Don't you swear on my Snapchat. Well, the moon's vanished behind some clouds, but this is when Positano starts to look magic.